VAConnect is a powerful design tool that allows you to quickly design shear tab connections, welded flange plate moment connections, and steel base plate connections that are anchored to concrete members. VAConnect checks the various strength limit states while also ensuring that the connection is detailed correctly. After launching VAConnect, simply choose the type of connection that you wish to design. The interactive graphical view allows you to select various parts to easily modify their parameters. As you change the parameters, the graphical view updates automatically for visual verification of your input. After you are satisfied with the geometry of your connection, simply switch to the load view and add the demand to the connection. Various service level loads can be applied to the connection by simply selecting the appropriate service case and entering the reactions. Since it is common for the same connection to be used at multiple locations throughout a structure and experience numerous loading conditions, VAConnect allows you to design with multiple load sets. After defining the various service level loads for each load set, the Load Case Manager can be used to automatically apply load combinations from various building codes, or you can define custom load combinations. With the geometry and loads defined, look at the project status to see the status of each limit state that is checked for the connection. Clicking on the limit state provides a detailed hand calculation style report, which is particularly useful when you have a failing limit state. When a limit state fails, it is easy to modify the design to get it to pass. In VAConnect, reports are easily created to document your work. You can add a concise design summary to view the maximum unity value for each limit state. Also, detailed reports that show the calculations can be added to the report. Summary tables are useful to show the parameters for the limit state and to show the unity value for each load set and load combination. In addition to being run as a standalone application, VAConnect can be launched from within Visual Analysis. Simply select a connection and click the Design in VAConnect button to launch VAConnect and automatically import the member and support information, the load combinations, and the load sets for that connection. After designing the connection in VAConnect, Visual Analysis receives a design report and the connection status is updated to either pass or fail. The once tedious process of designing connections and checking dozens of limit states is now quick and painless using VAConnect. To explore how easy it is to design shear tab connections, welded flange plate moment connections, and steel base plate connections with anchorage, head on over to our website and download the free trial.